Good day. Today I'll be demonstrating my garage door PLC assignment. So how this is supposed to work is that when a car approaches a door, an ultrasonic sensor should detect that the car is there. It should then open the garage door. When the car drives through the garage door, and it is fully passes the doorway, meaning that it is fully inside the garage door should close. The opening and closing of the garage door is controlled by the up-down motors. The garage can only store 12 cars, so whenever the amount of cars that have passed reaches 10 cars, we'll put an indicator. Indicator will come on saying that the garage is full. For the scope of this project, we did not um, put into the solution when cars would be leaving from inside the garage. So for that sake, we have put a reset button there. However, the solution could have easily been expanded to facilitate that. So let us begin, right? So of course, to start, we're going to trigger the ultrasonic sensor by touching this button. As you can see, the up motor got triggered. Let us break the photoelectric sensor. So this is the car driving through. Then we're going to click it again to say that it passed through completely. Let us click on the upper level switch to say that the door is at the top now. As you can see, the door is attempting to close now. When the door reaches the bottom, which is when the lower level switch gets triggered, system will stop. Notice that the number of cars in the garage had increased by 1. Let us do this again. Another car, break the sensor, upper level switch, lower level switch. See? Simple. Car, break the sensor, door is at the top, pass through, door is at the bottom. And you can do this multiple times. Just doing this, we have to do it around 4 more times before it reaches 10. So we're just doing this to get the garage door to turn, the garage full indicator to turn on. We'll have to do this one more time and then it should come on. Awesome, so the garage full indicator did come on, and then we can click the reset and it set back the number of cars in the garage to 0. So the system is working as expected. Thank you.